Hi, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Naju Legends here. Dark Elf, Warlock and Wizard Unleashed Ultimate New Beginner Guide 2026. Dark Elf Power Fantasy. Dark Elves are no longer just fragile casters. In 2026, they are battlefield controllers, burst kings, and AFK farming monster. Explain that Dark Elf classes Warlock and Wizard have evolved into two different play styles. Warlock sustain plus curse plus lifestyle. Wizard burst damage plus AoE nuker. Warlock unleash sustain king build. Core identity damage over time DOT. Lifesteal sustain. Course stacking. Playstyle idea. Warlock is perfect for AFK farming, long boss fights, PvP attributes slowly. Build concept. Instance priority, INT, VIT, WIS, skills focus, core stacking, drain life, poison dart DOT, farming strength, can survive mobs, low potion usage, high profit. AFK Warlock build that farms while you sleep. 2026 setup. Wizard Unleash Burst Destroyer build. Core identity, high burst damage, AoE clearing, glass cannon o cannon, playstyle idea. Wizard dominates fast leveling, dungeon clearing, burst space. Build concept, stats priority in WIS or WIST or Dex, skills focus, AoE spells fire lightning, burst combos, cooldown reduction, weaknesses, squishy. One shot wizard build that clears map in seconds. Warlock versus Wizard, which one should you pick? Versus comparison. Category Warlock and Wizard. Survivability. Damage type DOT burst farming, AFK friendly, fast clear, PvP style. Sustain fight, one shot difficulty, easy medium high. Recommendation: newbie Warlock safe easy grind, aggressive player Wizard fast high risk high reward. Advanced idea Unleash build 2026. Hybrid strategy. 4 level content idea, start as Wizard for fast leveling, switch to Warlock for farming and income. In game, choose based on PvP or guide or guild war. For brand partnership, sponsorship, or advertisement, just contact my Telegram account at Naju Legends. So see you in my next video. Naju Legends is out. Bye.